Mapagpalang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Welcome back muli sa ating live here at San Perfecto Elementary School. Para sa ating first game, ang Santa Lucia Elementary School versus the Kabayanan Integrated. And the first basket para sa Kabayanan. Nanggaling yan para kay jersey number 19. Panesares gets the basket. Lothar, basket is good. B-boy, pass to James from elbow three, no good. Rebound ng Kabayanan. And his basket is good. Para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Panesares, Pinoy step, no good. Rebound, rep. Basket is good. (6-4) ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin ang Kabayanan. Oh, gets the 3 points para kay number 29. Panesares tumira sa 3 and short. Ball. Panesares staring on the screen. Panesares, jump shot no good, out of bounds. Panesares, no good. Out of bounds. Number 7 gets the 3. 2 points. Para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. 11-4. James, wala pa rin. Iba wala ang Kabayanan. Ayan na, too short. B-boy. Ayan na, si B-boy, basket. sorry, nawala pala yung aking mouse. Here comes Jude. Floater. No good. Rebound. Pass to Jude. And score. Baba sa 5 kalamangan ng Kabayanan Integrated School. Here comes Jaden Pedragosa, out of bounds. Timeout, Kabayanan Integrated School. Time remaining 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Game. Felipe, Gab. May tangan ng bola. Pass to Jude. Hand off to Gab. Pass to Jude. Narzoles. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Ng Kabayanan. Here we go. Pedragosa, no good. Rebound by number 2. There's a foul. Pedragosa for 3. No good. Number 2, pass number 17, and score. Out of bounds. Ayan na, here comes Jude. Narzoles. 17-12. In favor pa rin sa Kabayanan. Number 2, sidestep. Basket is good. 19-12. Last 21 seconds, no good. Number 2, out of bounds. Last 6 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, tira! And ito, end of the first quarter. Official scores 19-12 in favor of Kabayanan Integrated School. Sir, pero yung space na dito sa bola lang sa sundan ko eh. Okay, wala.
Space dito sa loob.
Sir, pero yung space na sa gitna. Pag-atake sa gitna, kukuha lang kasi. Hindi makikita eh.
Ay,
pag lang ikaw ako gilid, ayawasan na. Oo, kasi lang. Thank you. Makikita ko yung likod mo. Thank you. Oh, good! Oy, too strong! Sayang. Number 14. Number 29 for the putback. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng Kabayanan Integrated School. Panisares. Basket para kay James Panisares. 14-21. That's the two. Basket para kay jersey number 7. 3 points na po. Panisares, James. Running shot. Basket. Beast mode na ang si James Panisares doon. Inatake ang depensa ni number 14. Number 15, jump shot. No good. Rebound. Number 29, no good. Number 14, no good pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound by James. Panisares, nabitawan. Number 29, no good. Steal. Here comes James. Panisares, nabitawan. Okay, end of time out. Time out. Santa Lucia Elementary School. Panisares, 4-3, short. Rebound again by Panisares. Step back 3, too strong. Rebound by number 29. Here comes number 29. There's a foul. Steal. Second shot clock violation. Wala rito ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Panisares. Side step and there's a foul. Rep. Basket para James. Time remaining 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Basket is good para James. 2 for 2. Set the jump shot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni James. Panesares, may tanga na bola. Panesares, top of the key. Yes, sir. Para sa tres, para kay James. Panesares. 24-21. Number 19, kick out, jump shot, short, out of bounds. Panesares, no good. Gabriel Tunarzoles, no good. Rebound, James, too strong. Rep. Basket is good. Timeout. Kabayanan Integrated School. Time remaining 3 minutes and 26 seconds. 24-23, down by 1 ang Kabayanan Integrated School.
Shoutout dito. Ay, tang. Ayan. Ping.
In and out, rebound. Kabayanan School. Number 29, no good. Rebound by James. Another steal. Basket by James, number 29. 26-23. Oh, good. Jude gets the foul. No good. 28-23. Panesares. No good. By Jude. Pass to James. Panesares all the way. Last 16 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, tira! And that's the end of our first half. Official score 30-25. 5-point lead para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. Okay, halftime tayo. Let's go. Manizares, no good. Basket para kay Jude. Oh, steal! Uy! Good. Basket count and one. Muntikan na yun. Nice pass para kay B-Boy to James Manizares. It's a bonus shot for a 3-point play. Basket. 31-30. Oh, and score 32-31. Narzoles, no good. Rebound again by Narzoles. Get their own miss. 33-32. Number 29, no good. Rebound by Jude. Ayan na, si Manizares. Oh! What a move. Okay. Manizares and foul. Si Pango. Oy, oy, oy. Wag ganun na, wag ganun. Ayun na, pasa. Oy, nice pass. Pango binigay sa kanyang brother na si B-Boy. Ayun na, 37-32. Number 29. Oh, that's a traveling. Narzoles. Manizares for 3. Wala. Rebound. Oh, steal. It's a foul. Jude. Block. Gotta go over to Jude. Pass to Manizares, James. Manizares, no good. Steal. Ayun na. Oy. Basket count and one. Para kay James Manizares. Bonus shot for a 3-point play para kay Manizares. James. Oh, get the miss. And Narzoles with a putback. 41 to 32. Ayan na. Ooh. It's a foul. Live po tayo. Shoutout tayo mamaya kay sir.
Siyang Pumar. Sa mga referee. Siyang Pumar.
Shampumar?
Siyang Pumar Group.
Shoutout kay Shampumar?
Siyang Pumar Group.
Shampumar Group of Referee. Shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, kasama natin si Idol. Mamaya papakita tayo ha. Basket. Para sa Kabayan Integrated School. Bola ng Santa Lucia. Steal. Ng Kabayanan. Oh, steal. Makuha ni James. Panesares. Wala. Rebound ng Kabayanan. Number 7. Too strong. Rebound by Jude. Out that pass. Panesares all the way. Basket is good. Oh, wala na steal. Narzoles, no good. Panesares for 3. 46 to 33. Biggest lead of the game ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Oh, mati ka na. Gets a foul. On a shot, 2 shots para jersey number 3, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 7. Ayan na. Oh, good defense by Pango. Ayan na. Narzol, oh sorry, that's James Panesares all the way. 48 to 33. Oh, still. Pass to James. Panesares. Bam! Oy! Out of bounds. Of the star player. Panesares in and out, rebound. Pango! Oh sorry, that's B-Boy, no? Si B-Boy pala yun. Oy! Two shots para jersey number 71, Jaden Pedragosa. Ayan na, may ilaw na. James pass to wala, rebound, kick out of bounds. B-Boy, wala. Rebound by number 29. Here comes De La Paz. Out of bounds. Manesares, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Gap. Out of bounds. Steal by James. James, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 42. Pass to number 29. Number 29. And there's a foul. Number 30. Pango. Ope Maria. Ano person? Let's go as much there para kay Ope Maria. Penalty. Santa Lucia Elementary School under penalty situation. De La Torre shooting for 2. may binubulong ka ngayon, ha? Time remaining, last 30 seconds. Panesares. De La Torre. Bad pass. Time remaining 7 minutes, 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 35 to 54. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Game po natin, San Perfecto Elementary School versus wala pa yung kanyang kalaban. Let's go, fourth quarter. There's a foul. Two shots para jersey number 19. No good. Second shot is good. 36 to 54. Narzoles. Jude. Floater, wala. Rebound again by Jude. Reverse layup. Block para kay sa Kabayanan. Outlet pass. De La Torre. Jump shot, no good. Rebound again. De La Torre. And basket is good. Basket count. Plus a foul by De La Torre. Isa pa daw po, isa pa. De La Torre, basket. 39 to 54. Panesares. Naitawid. Back to James. Oh, steal. Here we go. Ayun na, outlet pass. De La Torre. Umahabol na po ang Kabayanan. Narzoles, kick out. Felipe for 3. Bang! 3-point para kay Gabriel Felipe. Basket. Nakasagot ang Kabayanan dito. Panesares, may taka na bola. Setting on the screen. Panesares from elbow 3. Short. Rebound. Here comes Kabayanan. Number 19. Bounce pass to De La Torre. De La Torre. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by James. Panesares setting on the play. Basket. Out of bounds. Last touch, same ball. De La Torre. Basket. Oh, steal number 7. Wala. Number 7 pa rin, wala pa rin. Official timeout. Time remaining 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Narzoles, pass to Felipe for 3, short. Panesares, wala. Kay Maria, back to Panesares, setting on the screen. Panesares. Wala pa rin. Ayan na ang Kabayanan. Number 7. Sorry, that's number 2. Jude. Pass to James. James. Behind the back. Out of bounds. Timeout, Santa Lucia Elementary School. Time remaining 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Back to the ball game. Kabayanan Integrated School Basketball. There we go. Number 19, basket. it. 49-59. Baba sa 10 ang Alamangan. Ayan na, Narzoles. Pass to Gab, using the board, no good. Rebound. Makakuha ni De La Torre. De La Torre, binigay. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng another steal. Oh, there is a foul. 10 na lamang ang hinahabol ng Kabayanan. 2 shots para jersey number 2. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng Santa Lucia. Here comes James. Panisares. Pass number 5. Narzoles. Wala. Rebound by Narzoles. And a score. Basket. Para dyan sa Kabayanan. 10 ulit ang hinahabol ng Kabayanan Integrated School. Panisares. Wala. Rebound. B-Boy. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Panisares. Panisares. Pass to Narzoles from elbow 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3. By Jude Narzoles. De La Torre, babawi sa 3. In and out. Rebound by Jude. Time remaining 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Oh! It's an 8-second shot clock violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 26. Time out. Time out ba? There we go. Oy, nakalusot si Pedragosa. Jaden. 64-53. Mabasa 11 ang Alamangan ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Narzoles for 3, short. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Floater, wala. Rebound by steal, number 3. Fadeaway shot, wala. Rebound by James. Panisares. Uy. Gets a foul. Number 71. Pedragosa, pass to number 16, in and out, rebound by Jude. Narzoles, pass to James. Panesares. Wait lang daw, sabi ni James. Panesares, nag-walk out sa 3. Underscore. 3-point para kay James Panesares. Segundo na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Number 71, Pedragosa, and there's a foul. Number 30. That's Ofe Maria. Shooting on the line, jersey number 71, Jaden Pedragosa. Basket is good para Jaden. Time remaining, last 42 seconds. Pedragosa, 2 for 2. Time remaining, last 42 seconds. Next game po natin, San Perfecto versus Salapan Integrated. Isa na naman kapanapanabik na laban ang ating masasaksihan na laban sa ating second game. Out of bounds. Last 24 seconds. Here we go. Number 10. Naipit. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Steal. Pass to James. Panesares. Inuubos ang oras. Panesares. Ayaw pa yung pasa. Tinira. Wala. Rebound. Last 3 seconds. Oh! What a nice game from both teams. Our final score, 55-67. Congratulations and nice game para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. And congratulations, James Alizares and the rest of the Santa Lucia Elementary School. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Our next game. Isa naman ayan, our next day, Kabayanan Integrated School, Salapan Integrated School versus San Perfecto. Isa na mga our standing, still with a 3-5 na po ang Santa Lucia and 1-7 ang Kabayanan Integrated School. Next game natin, isa namang importanteng laban to para sa Salapan at San Perfecto. And lalo na sa Salapan, ayan, humahabol sila for the 4th spot para angatan ang Pedro Cruz. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Keep safe.